Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today I'm going to show you a tip of how to fill in a series or a large quantity of blanks in your table so you can maybe properly do a pivot table. This is a tip I learned from a new book that I got from Mr. Excel. It's a great tip. I think you'll like it, so let's take a look. Here's our scenario. I've been given a sales report that has country, regions, different salespeople, the quarters, and their sales data. See, I have two different countries, and each country has two regions, and each one has the three different salespeople and the four quarters. Now, if I go to create a pivot table with all these blanks, it's not going to work well. I'll click inside my work area, insert, pivot table, put on a new worksheet. I'll say OK. My field list pops up. I'll put my country in the columns, salespeople in the rows, sales in the values. But you can see I have a lot of blanks here. I have blanks for the salespeople. Just the data is not going to be accurate because of all the blanks that we have within our data range. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Say OK there. So what we need to do is fill in all these blanks. Now we can certainly take and copy USA down and Canada down, North, and all the different salespeople, but there's a way that you can do it quickly and easily with just a couple steps. The first thing you want to do is highlight the whole range that contains blanks. Notice I started on A3 because that's the first row that has blanks, and I went over to column C because that's the last column that has blanks. I'm just going to highlight all the way down. So now I've highlighted the whole area that contains all the blanks. And now I'm going to use the Go To Special, which to access that is using the function key F5. And I can either click on Special or hit Alt-S. And the next is go to where? The blanks, which I can either click that or hit Alt-K and then say OK. Now you can see Excel has just selected only the blanks that are in the range that I highlighted. And notice my active cell is right here, cell C3. Now what I'm going to do is type an equal sign and hit the up arrow, and that says equals C2. What Excel is going to do is for every blank cell, copy what's directly above it. And instead of hitting enter, I'm going to hit control enter so it puts that formula in all the blank cells simultaneously. I hit control enter and you can see Excel has populated all the blanks with what's directly above. Now if I click in any of those, instead of saying North or US, etc., it does say what the formula is, equals C11 equals C6. So you might want to get rid of that. The easy way to do that is to highlight your whole data range. And then I'm going to go and grab the edge here by clicking my right mouse button, pull the data off, and then right back on. And then this menu will pop up where I can select Copy Here as Values Only. Now all those formulas are gone, and now just the data is there, and it's all populated and filled in all my blanks. Now I can click anywhere in here, go to Insert, Pivot Table, select New Worksheet, put my country in the columns, salespeople in the rows, sales in my values, and now I have a properly populated pivot table. And there you have it. I hope you like what you see. If you do like what you see here, please take a minute to share this post on your favorite social network. I can be found on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to stop by my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. So have a great day and happy excelling.